Hi, my name is Tracey Askew and I'm a health educator, a career I have been passionate about for 20 years. With the growing incidence of poor health, both physically and mentally, I encourage people to reclaim the responsibility for their own health challenges. Doctors and other health practitioners have been worn down by dealing with health challenges that are largely preventable or can at least be supported by good health information and actions. Medication and surgery can only take us so far. Diet, exercise and lifestyle have been the focus with a lot of prevention strategies, but who has really considered something as ordinary and everyday as breathing? Breathing fuels all the systems within the human body. Without the breath, none of it works. Now I know you are breathing right now and thinking about breathing right now, so you must be breathing right. Well, the question remains, how many people are breathing in a way that is optimal to the smooth functioning of their body? The way you are breathing right now could be making you sick, tired, dopey, and be preparing you, and maybe your partner too, for a rough and noisy night of thrashing around and snoring. Breath by breath, likely 20,000 times a day, you can be disturbing your blood gases and blood chemistry. Further to that, when we breathe in a less than optimal way over a period of time, we reset our breathing centre in the area of the brain called the medulla to this less than optimal pattern. That is, over time, the dysfunctional or disordered breathing pattern becomes the norm and begins to alter and impair other functions within the body. Asthma, chronic nasal problems, breathlessness, snoring, sleep apnea and panic attacks are all directly related to dysfunctional breathing patterns. That is, all people with these disorders do not breathe correctly. There are no exceptions. All these conditions are prevalent today amongst both children and adults. Now, while modern medicine is always coming up with new medications, new surgical techniques and new medical appliances, when you stop and think about it, isn't it just common sense to also learn to breathe correctly, optimally to the way the body functions? I would like to introduce you now to your educator and guide through this online course in breathing, Tess. Tess has a science degree in anatomy and physiology, is a physiotherapist, a breathing educator, a researcher and author, and has worked clinically with over 5,500 people to improve their breathing and their health. What defines Tess's work and distinguishes it from the breathing techniques taught within some other modalities is that she teaches physiologically normal breathing. That is, the way we are meant to breathe, awake and asleep, when we walk, talk and run. The goal is to reset the brain's automated breathing response, which can positively support the body towards quality sleep, a healthier existence and calm, relaxed breathing. This approach is vastly different from the big, deep breathing and the fill up and then empty your lungs out exercises that are so commonly taught and which may provoke dizziness, coughing, wheezing, and even panic attacks, or set you up to snore at night. Tess also teaches breathing simply, using no gadgets, no appliances, no apps, and in a way that you can blend into your normal daily life. It's comfortable, it's pleasant, and it's doable for busy people. The changes are also fast, stable, and profound.